let's take a look at the trades I made today in crude. So there's actually 6 trades today I made in crude, starting at 9 a.m. So if you see the chart in the left, which is um, the 30 minutes chart, you know, I was leaning towards the upside in crude. So that was my bias. I thought that crude was going to bounce and move to the upside. And um, so all when I came into my computer at 7 a.m., I was looking at here, right? So let's move it. So this is what I was looking at, and everything was stuck to the upside. And yesterday there was a nice move um, on the 27th, right? So moved, made a really nice move to the upside. Then overnight it was consolidating and then moved to the upside again by 6 a.m. I was not looking at the market when it came. When I came, it was around 7 a.m. So 7 something. So I was looking at this right here in the top right corner. So uh, then the market made a lower high right there, and then it started to retrace. Um, that is what I was looking at, and there was a lot of congestion in this area. So range day, the market kept, bouncing out of this resistance one and right on the previous high, and then it kept moving in this area here. So difficult day for trading gold today, for trading crude today. Okay, so let's look at the entry chart. Let me um, let me go here. So here is where I started to look at the market. Right, it was 7 something a.m. Market was in this range. I was not willing to do any trades, and then the market made a move to the downside, breaking out of this support here. And now looking at I was looking to move um, to the downside. We are below the cloud, and we are below the moving averages as well. The market made a consolidation right here, and then it broke. Very choppy in this area, so I didn't make any trade. Then it finally broke to the downside. I didn't take this trade either because it was a counter trade in the higher time frame, the 30 minutes, right? So, but then I decided to take this one, which was a mistake. Um, so I took it right there actually when it reversed. So it made already the move. The good entry would have been, looking at the 30-minute chart. It would have been this channel in the left chart, right? So there was a channel here, a break at 8:30 a.m. And that one probably was the good entry, the first one. Then I took it down there. Not good, but I took the trade anyway. So then it immediately reversed on me. So I took the last tick, right? And then reversed. So $300 loss in there. Then it moved. They tried to make a move. Went into the cloud. Then made a wick out of the cloud, and I took that break over there, and it reversed on me again. So pretty frustrating. It was in this range. Um, so another $300 lost there. So I'm at $600 loss now. Now the market kept in this range, and then now made a reversal to the upside, and I took that reversal over there. It was good for the first contract. Um, Actually, it's not was not good for the first contract. Let me see. It reversed on me on the first candle, so it was a loss actually. So um, it's $40 per contract lost, so $120. Now I'm looking for longs, right? So that break was not good, but it was not that bad either. Then I took that break, and that one was good for the first contract, and the other two were sold at a stop. So this one was good for $120. At this point, I am $600 down, and then I took this break out of this Darvas right here at this level. So I took that the entry right there. Um, I'm sorry, I took this one here. This is the entry, and this one was good for one contract, so 100, and then the other two sold at break even plus one. So it's $100 for the first one and $20 for the second one and the third one. And then I thought that okay, so the market was could keep moving up, so it make this week out of the 18 EMA, and then I took the another entry at this level after the um, break even plus one stop. So I took it again at this level right here when it moved to the upside again, and this one was good for $180. So total for gold is minus 300. I mean for crude is minus $300 for today. Then the market kept moving down. There was no entry here. Actually, there's no entry, just a move straight down. Because normally in crude, what happened is when it fails to go to the upside, then it reverses and move to the downside. But I don't have any indication or any trigger to go in. It just moves straight back down all the way to that level right here, which was the previous day. Now market consolidates here, and then it was in the range right here all the way till the end of the day. So you see, right, up, down, up, down. Difficult day to trade crude actually. It didn't do anything for the rest of the day, not even in the afternoon. One break right here, maybe good for one one contract, one stop, but it's still in the range, right? So no reason to take. I was not looking at the market in the afternoon actually. All right, so those are the trades in crude. $300 loss in that market. Thank you for watching.